Here's my growing cucumber plant. This is growing well on this sandy loam soil. They don't need too much care. I give them an inch water every twice a week or when I see the soil almost completely dry. It's very important for them to give enough water for them to develop well. So I made a water trench here so I can soak them in water and it will get to the roots. Remember, the plants need water at the roots, not on the surface of the leaf. Some may water their plants from the top, but for me, that will cause damage to the leaves and it will rot the fruit off plants. You can sow your cucumber seeds anytime as long as you have a warm weather, but don't sow them directly to the soil when you're gonna have a rainy weather for a week or so. I'm living in a tropical country. We only have dry and wet season. If it's rainy season, I can sow seeds indoor and plant them outside when the weather is warm and right. Cucumber plant cannot tolerate too much water and in the end it will not produce high quality fruit. So better check your weather calendar. Cucumber thrive in hot sunny weather. So place them where they can get plenty of sunlight, but make sure the soil is moist. I give them regular fertilizer like fish fertilizer and complete fertilizer once a week. When it starts to flower, I give them fertilizer that is rich in potassium and complete fertilizer. If your cucumber plant does not set fruit or lack of fruit, maybe it's due to poor pollination. Don't worry, you can do hand pollinate your plant. But here in my garden, I don't have problem on the pollination because I have a little helpers that pollinate my growing plants. I'm very glad that the bees are coming here in my garden all the time to do the job for me, as I don't use any chemical pesticides and insecticides. This is now in fruiting stage. I can pick this cucumber now. I think this is approximately 8 inches long, so this is ready to collect. If you leave the fruit too large or too long, it will not give you a satisfied taste or nice taste. The seeds will become hard and the skins will be tough. So pick the cucumber when it's immature and uniformly green. Pick the fruit regularly because if not, it will stop to produce fruit.